Hey guys, I'm back at Dollar Tree. I didn't get a lot, less than $20 worth. And as of January 21st, they're going to start charging a penny a bag. So bring your shopping bags if you want to, or I guess you could probably save these, but they aren't that durable. But I had seen on somebody's video where she got these covered glass bowls. So they had a bunch of the bowls, but I only found 2 of the covers. So I got 2 of those. See everything else in here. And then I saw this. They have this Micellar water. They say to compare it to simple Micellar cleansing water. So I got 2 of them. I thought I'd give them a try. It's 6.7 fluid ounces. Water, chamomile, extract, glycerin, capric glycerides, hydantoin, niacinamide. Oh, it has niacinamide in it. Panthenol. So it looks like it's pretty decent ingredients. So I thought I'd try it, and I got 2 because you know how Dollar Tree is. If you find something you like, the next time you go back, it's gone. I haven't used my cellar water in a long time. I ran out and never bought any more. I bought 2 more of these Valentine ribbons. I used up the last of mine last year, and it's one that I really like. Oh, my nose is itchy. You guys, we've had so much rain this week. It's been crazy. And I found these cute little conversation heart stickers. I'm making the making my felt hearts that I buy at Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 8, and then I weave the ribbon in to close them, and then at the top there's a place where you could stick stuff inside. I thought these would be cute to decorate the hearts. I got a birthday card for my husband. Don't tell him. Look at that. If that isn't Bruno, I don't know. Sniff, sniff. I smell birthday. So that's perfect for him. I'm going to be itching my nose, you guys. I'm sorry. I feel like I have a fiber or hair or something. Anyway. So I have all this stuff for my Valentine's wreath. It's all made. It's hanging on the door. So I got a few more things for my St. Patrick's Day wreath. I'm going to do one for every holiday. I'm going to do an Easter one. And these I plan on gluing to the chenille stems, the pipe cleaners, and putting them on this way, and this I'll put on the bottom of the wreath. I got some other stuff last week, and then I got one of the cute little frogs. Pretty and Flawed showed these on her videos, but I thought he was so cute with his open mouth. You could put a little flower coming out or a little stem with a little bug on it. Make it look like he's eating a fly. And then, oh, I got another bag of these rocks. I like these for painting rocks, and this bag had some big ones. So these are really cute for just little small, like a little, you could just do a simple heart for Valentine's Day, or I've done some with the faces, dog faces on them, and left them at the dog park. And then look what I found, you guys. I haven't seen these before, and I haven't seen them in anyone's video, but they are stencils, and this one, has some goop on it, like somebody was working with it. But this one has more beach, palm trees, dolphins. It's kind of hard to see, I know, but there's a sailboat, lighthouse, shells, just really fun stencils. I'm doing more mixed media stuff, and then this one has a bunch of different owls on it. I'll just turn them so you can see the different images or shapes or whatever. That one says wisdom. Really cute. And this one has different paisleys, and it has a flower. It's like a mandala. mandala, whatever. And then the final one, this is kind of a Valentine's Day themed, or love. That's my sign off, XOXO. So I thought these are really cool. Be great for mixed media, or whatever you want to do. You're gonna alter a box or whatever. That's that. So that was my Dollar Tree haul. Like I said, it's a small one. I feel like my nose is running. I hope not. Oh, and then I got some more of these storage containers, because our other ones are getting old. And we put the dog food in there, and just leftovers we put in there. So anyway, it looks like more rain is coming in. We've had so much rain this week, and right now it's trying to clear up, and it just seems like a spring day in the Midwest. If you are from the Midwest, you might know what I mean. Just kind of breezy and warm and a little humid, and rain here and there and sun here and there. So actually it's very pleasant. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and I will just see you next time. Thanks a lot, guys. Love you. Bye.